Is it really possible to get 5 real estate referrals your first 30 days in real estate, even if you're brand new? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to start setting appointments today so you can fast track your career. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a very simple pro tip that will get people to go out of their way to recommend you. So stay until the end of the video and let's get started. Nat Wallen here, top producing agent in Charleston, South Carolina, and I've also been working on a referral software for the past few years called Bella Ruby. Those are my kids, Bella and Ruby. Welcome to our Realtor Springboard channel. I've been in real estate since 1995, and I've had years where I've sold over 100 homes with just one assistant. And I don't say that to brag at all. I just know what I've tried and what's worked really well for me. Now, a lot of people ask me if I'm a coach, and no, I am not. Like I said, I'm a realtor. I am just a practitioner. I've had coaches, and coaches are great, but I'm just here to give you little nuggets from my experience. And I've tried everything: door knocking, direct mail, websites, probate lists, helping divorce attorneys, FSBOs, expireds, evergreen videos. I know what works, and I know what things are going to be a complete waste of your time. And that's why I'm here, to help you fast track your way to the top. So if you like what you see, subscribe to this channel and do ring the bell to be notified of new videos every week. And feel free to ask questions in the comments as well. I'll make more videos and, well, I'll do my best to answer them. All right, back to the future time. It was 1995. I actually had hair at the time. I had some hair anyway. And I started with a pager, and then I graduated to a cell phone. And I just remember thinking, like, gosh, one day I'll make $50,000. And that just seemed like so much money at the time. And it just seemed like it was so far away. But I was excited, so I got into real estate. Now, my broker was my best friend's mom. Her name was Sheila Giannatos, and she had been in real estate forever. And the very first piece of advice she gave me has really made a difference. She told me that if I wasn't in front of someone face to face, well, then I was unemployed. So let me say this again. She told me that if I wasn't belly to belly, eyeball to eyeball, then I didn't have a job. And Sheila was serious. Let me prove it to you. Oh, there she is. Hey, Sheila.
Nat, what are you doing here? You should be working.
Well, I'm making a video.
Well, you should be face to face with people, not making videos. That's how you earn money, and that's how you sell real estate.
Well, I know, but I mean, it's Sunday, so I'm just
You don't
making a
work
video.
on Sundays anymore? You're that good?
Well, no, but I'm just making a video to help agents, that's all.
Oh, well, if you're going to help other people, that's good. You never used to do that.
Oh, well, thanks. Good to see you.
Good seeing you. Bye.
Bye. Same old Sheila. Okay, so Sheila's advice really stuck with me for a long time. Being face-to-face is really important. I mean, look at any leader in any profession. They spend their time seeing people and creating opportunities. But how do you do this? How can you get 5 referrals this month? Well, you're in the right place. Here's something you can do right now I wish I had done so much sooner, and nobody is doing this. This will fast track your career and it will build your skills quickly. And I promise you, if you do this once a day, 5 days a week, you'll be in the top 1% of agents in your market, and you'll be well on your way to making 6 figures or more every single year. You just have to focus on the right things. I would focus on having real estate reviews, as many as possible. Now, real estate reviews, they're friendly, no-pressure meetings to help homeowners figure out what their home is worth. Now, sure, you can hold open houses to start, and there will be plenty of chances to do that for other agents, but But real estate reviews are far more lucrative in the long term because, well, they fill your database and they can uncover buyers and sellers early on before other agents find out. So there's no competition. Now, there are several ways to go about this. Join your neighborhood Facebook group and write a post that offers this as a free service to anyone in your HOA. You can wear your name badge everywhere you go, and people will ask you how the market is, and you can just offer a friendly look at their home to tell them what it's worth. Or you can simply take a legal pad with you and write down the name and address of everyone you know that owns a home. And if you do this, keep it with you every day. And as soon as you write that name down, and this is going to be hard, pick up the phone, and you can do this. Pick up the phone right away and ask them if you can schedule an annual real estate review. Now, here's what's going to happen when you call someone. It's a very, very common objection, and it's easy to overcome. They're going to say, "Can't you just tell me over the phone?" So here's a word of caution here. It will happen. This is where you need to hold firm. Never provide a price over the phone. So let me just say this one more time. Never price a property over the telephone. All you have to do is say, "I need to see your home and all of the upgrades to be accurate." That's where Zillow messes up. Tell them it's a free service you provide and it'll just take 15 minutes. Now, there's a playlist on the right-hand side here, and there are several other videos that will help you build your skills. So do binge the Springboard channel if you have time. So the real estate review. When you're meeting with homeowners, say these exact words, and I will put this script in the description. It doesn't matter if you want to buy or sell. I'm here as a resource. The market has been changing, Zillow is way off, and it's my mission to help as many families in your neighborhood stay up to date on their investment as possible. So here's what happens for them. You come over, you have a friendly chat, you share some stats, and you tell them what their home is worth. Don't ask them if they want to buy or sell. That is not what this is all about. Just tell them that your mission is to help as many people as possible because you love real estate, and your goal is to receive 3 referrals every month. Now, you can take this a step further by saying, "I was brought up believing that to get, you have to give first. The universe gives back, and that's why I'm here." It's a winning scenario for everyone. They get a free update on their home, and they get to see your friendly face and realize that you're not a salesy, arm-twisting, pushy person, and you get to practice researching properties and get to practice being in front of people at their kitchen table. But here's what really happened. You just planted a seed. You just planted a seed by telling them that your goal is to get 3 referrals per month. And it's a very specific goal, and you've verbalized it. And this makes it real for you and top of mind for them. People like to help others achieve their goals. Just make sure before you leave to ask if they have any other friends that may also want a real estate update. You'll be surprised at what will happen if you get into the habit of seeing people every day face to face. And this is how you'll get your 5 referrals in your first 30 days. But the thing is that you have to start today.
What are you doing here? You should be working. Well, you should be face to face with people, not making videos. That's how you earn money, and that's how you sell real estate.
So make sure to check out the video on the handwritten notes and the Ford technique in the playlist there. This will help you get the most out of these real estate reviews. Okay, I promised a technique to get people to go out of their way to help you, didn't I? Well, I just told you that's a little bit of a trick question. People like to help other people. It makes them feel good. It makes me feel good. And many new agents, they hide the fact that they're new. Don't do that. You just have to ask for help. Use your newness as your strength. Tell your friends you're with a great company, you're fully trained on all the newest contract changes, and you could use their help finding a few buyers for your new career. Now, there's another video in the playlist that will tell you exactly what to say and what to do after people recommend you. Okay, question of the day. What market are you in, and what is your biggest frustration today? And even if you're not brand new, chime in, let us know in the comments, and make sure to engage the community, because that's where a lot of the best stuff happens on this channel. And if you take anything away from this video, please remember this. Don't be that agent stuck just still trying to figure it out. Start by setting appointments and going to see people face to face at their kitchen table. Even if it's your mom, start today. It's just too easy to not take steps every day. Just a few simple steps every day. That's all we need. All right. Thanks for joining us here on Realtor Springboard. There is a free CRM for you in the description. Tell your company, tell your friends, I want this thing to grow and be huge. I want to help people all over the world. And if I can just ask that one favor of you to spread the good word about the Bella Ruby free CRM, you'll never have to pay for it. Well, then you'll be well on your way to building your database. And all of this on the Springboard channel is designed to help you build and springboard your career to a bigger brand, a better career, and a happier life. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and binge the channel. If you like it, smash the like button. And we'll see you next week. Thanks. Bye.